but it was only fantasy. The wall was too high, as you can see. No matter how we tried, we could not break free. And the worms ate into his brain. That's a nice lyric for a 12-year-old boy to. That was the kind of music I listened to. Oh, get real! You listen to Kiss. Yeah, that's true, huh? Oh, okay. Hey, should we get started? Yeah, okay. BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language, Ojibwe culture, Ojibwe stories, Ojibwe food. Really? I don't know. Ojibwe coffee, Ojibwe, a beautiful Ojibwe women. Ah, get out of here. My name is NANABOOZHOO. Over here we have the lovely, and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO niwi ni mushain. Say hello, my sweetheart. BOOZHOO gakina awiya. Hello, everybody. And over here, we've got the rock star cartoonist himself, Michael Lyons. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Michael Lyons. Say hello, Michael Lyons. Hey, everybody, how you doing? And today, should we just jump right into it? Right into the story of Christopher Colombo? A lot of people forget that Christopher Colombo was a detective with a glass eye. Man, those were the days. What's that? When one of the most popular actors on television could have a glass eye. Oh yeah, it's true, huh? Do you remember that? Oh, Columbo. What was that guy's name? I forget the actor's name, but he actually had a fake eye. He was such a strange looking dude. You'd never have just like a weird looking guy be the main character of a TV show anymore. Now everyone's got to be like, I don't know, Dwayne Johnson or something. So today's Ojibwe word of the day. Mino Gigajabe. Good morning, sweetie. Mino Gigajabe, sweetheart. Good morning. Mino Gigajabe. And if you want to say good night, you would say Mino Dibakak. Mino Dibakak. Tonight, and all the dreams come true. With a wish and a prayer. La-dee-dee-da-doo. Mino Dibakak. All right. So, today, sweetie. Actually, you know what? Before we get into Christopher Columbus, I got to talk about something. History has forgotten something very important. You know, everyone's always like, oh, yeah, Christopher Columbus, he discovered America. No, he didn't. Yeah, I remember that. You know. But people forget that, he didn't do it on his own. Christopher Columbus, as the story goes, he went to the Queen of Spain. This is Queen Isabella. And I got to say, sweetie, I saw this painting. And I love you. Yeah. But, I know she's kind of chubby, but man, Queen Isabella was really beautiful. She's got those beautiful Spanish eyes. Yeah, huh? So Queen Isabella. I wonder if there wasn't something, between Christopher Columbus and Queen Isabella. So anyway, today, kids, on the Ojibwe podcast, I would like to tell the story of Christopher Columbus. Now, it's become very fashionable in modern age to get all angry at Christopher Columbus. Oh, he stole our land. Oh, we hate that guy. Worse than Hitler. You know, Christopher Columbus, just a poor Italian with a dream and an idea. And so, now when I was a little guy, it wasn't just a side note, kind of a main thing about Christopher Columbus. As the story went, back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a man named Christopher Columbus, who apparently that wasn't his name either, but whatever. Christopher Columbus was going to prove that the earth was round. And everybody laughed at him. Oh, ha ha. Ha ha, Christopher Columbus, you make me laugh. Everybody knows the earth is flat. Read your Bible. But no, Christopher Columbus was like, no, I can prove that the earth is around. Hey, mamma mia, I get to learn that the earth is around. I'm going to sail west. Because that was his accent. Was it? Yeah. Columbus had a totally stereotypical Italian accent. He was like, hey, mamma mia. I will find a passage to India. Or what? I can't do the accent. But he didn't have any money. So he went to Queen Isabella, the beautiful Queen of Spain, who had lots of money. And I also think it's kind of interesting that in history, sweetie, Queen Isabella, I mean, chicks were running the world in the old days. I don't know. Everyone's, oh, look at us, proud feminists. Well, where were you back in Queen Isabella days when the queen was... Anyway. So, back in the days of the grandfathers, Christopher Columbus, he was going to prove the earth was round. So he went to Queen Isabella of Spain. Apparently the Italians didn't have any money. So he went to Spain. He was like, my queen, or not really my queen, but Queen of Spain, won't you help me prove that the earth is round? I'm going to sail west, and I'm going to end up east in India. And I will bring back precious spices and silk ribbons or some, the likes of which you've never seen. And Queen Isabella was like, oh, wow, hey, that sounds like a really good plan. All right, tell you what, Chris, I will pay for your little trip here. You can prove the earth is round. And you can take these 3 boats. I named them after my girlfriends. There's Nina, Pinta, Ocasio-Cortez, And so the big day comes, and he sets sail, and he starts going west. And he's like, I will prove it to the world. They laughed at me back in Italy or wherever I'm from. But I will prove. I'll go around this globe. And, sweetie, did you know that the first globe that was ever made? Yeah. 1492. Oh, the same year. Yeah. So 1492, somebody makes the globe. First one ever. And Columbus is going to prove that the earth is round. So he starts heading west. In 1492, he sails the ocean blue. And he's sailing and sailing away. Sailing takes me away to where I'm always heard. La la la. Do 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 do. Yep. Until finally, what happens? Bunk. He lands in North America, right on the coast. Did he? Okay, no. Apparently, if you believe the story, he ends up down in the Bahamas or somewhere. The Americas, they call it. So I don't know where that was. Was it down here, kind of in this little area? So he gets out of the boat there, and there's a bunch of Indians standing around. Or whatever they have in the Bahamas. Whatever those guys are. The Wampanoags, I think they were called. And Christopher Columbus gets going, hey, look at this. We made it, boys. We're in India. I told you the earth was small and round. And the Wampanoags go, oh, yeah, well, excuse me. Welcome to America. Or whatever we call it. And Columbus is like, hey, you guys, are you Indians? Do you have any spices we can bring back to the Queen of Spain? And the Indians are like, no, we're not Indians. We're Wampanoags. You don't know where you are. He goes, oh, come on. Don't tell me that. I made it to India. One day they'll make statues of me and put it all over this wonderful country called India. But the Indians didn't want to make him feel bad, so they're like, okay, fine. We'll just start calling ourselves Indians. And they were like, hey, fellas, pass it on. From now on, anybody who is born, any indigenous person from this area, any Native American, whatever you want to call us, from now on, we're just going to call ourselves Indians. Yeah, I don't want to embarrass Christopher Columbus. He knows what it's like not to be called by his real name. Christos Colombo or whatever his name really was. And apparently he got syphilis and died. And this is the story of Christopher Columbus. But who cares, sweetie? Really? Yeah, I don't care. What the heck? Hi, Jim. Jim's the only viewer. Middle of the day, 12 o'clock. One viewer. One viewer on our live stream. How is that possible? I don't know. I mean, I could go on my own Facebook account and get more than one viewer. Got 4,000 subscribers. Been doing this for 4 years. One viewer. Hi, Jim. I was jamming on the keyboard. All right, great. I'm not feeling this, sweetie. No. Nope. I don't want to do a show if nobody's watching. We might as well tape something. Yeah. All right. Hey, Jim, I'm going to leave. We're going to quit doing a stupid live stream. Nobody wants to watch it. And I don't know what happened. Yeah. I'm not going to ask people to join the channel and stuff if we don't have any viewers. We're going to have to do something else. Well, whatever. Okay. Hey, Jim, thanks for stopping by. Yeah. Sorry, guys. We're not doing this. I don't know if I'll see you again. But this is dumb. There's only one person. All right. Okay. BOOZHOO. Or BOOZHOO.